Decided to show you a little bit of my sewing process. This person has ordered 3 hair sock head wraps, 1 orders. I had finished sewing them and stuff like that, and I had planned to have on camera me packaging them, and I didn't get a chance to, so I'm gonna package them now. Okay, so sorry if there's a lot of noise, guys. I live in New York. There's nothing you could do about the noise. Okay, so I wanted to quickly show you how I package my things really quickly. So I have an order from Natasha, and she's from South Carolina. So thank you, Natasha. If you think you like this print, I advise you to order right away. But thank you, Angela. Okay, so next one up is Latanya. Latanya ordered, and she's a return customer, so thank you, Latanya. She ordered the blue burst hair sock, she ordered the black hair sock, and she ordered a purple hair socks. Very good choices. These are very, very cute, pretty. I love them. Thank you so much, Latanya. And she's from Vienna, Virginia. So thank you so much for that, Tanya. Latanya. The next one up is Gail from Huntington, New York, and she ordered the pink brown tie-dye hair sock, and I already folded it up, but if you guys want to see it, you could go on my site. Thank you, Gail. And next up we have Kimberly from North Salt Lake, Utah. She ordered the blue burst hair sock. Thank you, Kimberly. Your hair sock is on the way. Thank you. So that's it. These are my orders that I'm about to ship, and your orders are on the way, guys. Yay! And thank you so much for purchasing. I appreciate your support. Etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma4u. So I'm done packaging. Now I'm gonna ship them off. I don't feel like, I usually do the self-checkout, but I'm a little lazy today because I just finished packaging them. Normally I already have them packaged and then I could do the self-checkout, but then I just did. I'm trying to see if I can find a shorter line. Sometimes if you go to this other area this is the big post office on 34, the line. Hold on. Yeah, I never did it like this before. Oh, okay. It's printed them at different times. Label number 3. Nice. I gotta print label number 4 again. One, two, one fell, and then one there. I think I'm done. Let me see. Continue. Ooh, hopefully I didn't show addresses. If so, I have to edit. Print. I gotta put the labels on the packages and I'll be good to go. Another receipt with tracking. Your packages are on the way. Okay, I'm done. I'm about to mail. Put them in the postage thing here. Large envelopes. Here you go. Yay! Done. Okay, I'm done mailing. Oh, that took extra time because they were not packaged. Normally, you want to have your stuff packaged, and I'm gonna get a printer so that I can start printing out my postage at home, and all I have to do is drop it off at the post office. I believe with some services they will actually come and pick it up, so I'm gonna be looking into all of those things that will make my life easier. I'm gonna go to the discount store now. Do I remember where it is? Yeah, to go pick up some tissue paper for mailing. I want to get some pretty tissue paper. I try to recycle paper sometimes. Like if I get tissue and it's still really nice, I'll save it to use to package, and that's cute too. But I'm gonna go buy some tissue, just trying to revamp everything, make everything fresh and new. It's 2020, time to step up that business game, do what you gotta do. But I'm so glad I got that out of the way. When I get home later on, I'm gonna continue working on business, and more business. Yeah, so I will check with you in later.